In this video, I'm going to share with you the most subscribed to YouTube channels in 2022. This is going to give you hope and inspiration for your own YouTube channel. I'm also going to share with you my largest channel so far, almost 500,000 subscribers. If you cannot relate to the channels that I show you here today, we're going to start with number 10. At the end, I'm going to show you some themes amongst all these channels so that you can apply it to your own growth. If you just want to be entertained, that's cool too. Really quick here to put things in perspective, as of January 2022, there are 37 million channels on the platform and 2 billion plus total users. So if you're not growing your YouTube channel as fast as you want, just keep this in mind, but have no fear, my friends, stay tuned. Starting with number 10 here is Carrie Minnati with 35.9 million subscribers. Let me show you a little trick right here. Pay attention to this. Go to sort by. You're going to go to most popular. What is his most popular video? I don't know. Looks like a music video of some sort. This one right here, Stop Making Assumptions on YouTube. He started as a gamer and then moved into roasting. He's the most subscribed to YouTube channel in India. Vegeta 777. I guess I should have put this one first at 33 million subscribers. Can you imagine? Gaming, as you can see here. Let's go to videos. Let's go to most popular. What is his most popular video? Planeta Vegeta Una Gran Aventura. Something. No se espera. He's from Brazil and he does gaming and particular Minecraft. Luisito at 37.5 million subscribers. He also has a brother who's from Brazil. We're going to talk about here in just a second, but he specializes in comedy. Let's go to videos. We're going to go to sort by most popular. And look at that. Luisito, my best friend. Spanish speaking, as you can see here. Let's talk about Luisito Comunica at 38.9 million subscribers. He is a Mexican travel blogger, but he's also really great in business. He started a music channel in 2007 and was not successful. Pay attention to that, my friend, to give you some hope and inspiration. And then he started this channel in 2012. Let's go to videos. Let's go to his most popular video and see what we're working with right here. I have no idea what that says, but he's in China. My guess is the reason this video has got so many views because you're like, what the heck? Is that a seahorse on a stick? Curiosity provoking. Number 6 on the list, we have Rubius. OMG, what a name is that? At 40.4 million subscribers. Does this avatar look familiar to any of you? He's also Spanish speaking and got his rise to fame on Twitch, which is a streaming for gaming. He's been on YouTube for 15 years and he has specialized in Fortnite. Let's go to sort by. Let's go to most popular Minecraft. We see right here. And look at this, a goal challenge. Now, if you're saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, I am not a gamer, how can I be successful on YouTube? Have no fear, my friend. Let's look at Fernan Flu with 45 million subscribers. He is number 5 on the list. He's from El Salvador and he has more subscribers than his entire country. And he has specialized in gaming. Let's go to videos. Let's go to most popular and see what we have right here. A 3-minute video on something. I have no idea what all of these things are, but apparently they're popular. Number 4, I guess he should have come before Fernan Flu, is Felipe Nito. Does this look familiar to you? He's also from Brazil and he's specialized in vlogging, video games, and in particular comedy. Let's go to videos. Let's go sort by. Let's go most popular. And whatever this is, I have no idea, but these thumbnails look intense. This one, Nunes, I don't know how you say that, 43.8 million subscribers. And I guess this one should have come before the others. So just keeping you on your toes right here today. He's been on YouTube for 8 years. He's a comedian from Brazil, and he also specializes in movie reviews. Let's go to videos. Let's go to most popular right here. We got some songs. We got some singing. This one looks intense, and I don't know what's happening. Wow. Yep, he looks like quite the character. And in our number 2 spot, which really isn't our number 2 spot, if you want to do the math, you certainly can do that, is Hola Soy German at 43.3 million subscribers. He is Spanish speaking and he specializes in comedy. You can see here his thumbnails are quite different than all the rest that we have seen, and he is highly successful. Let's go to sort by. Let's go to most popular video. And brothers, hi, I'm German. A 5-minute video. Los profesores, hola soy German. Another 5-minute video. And the number 1 spot for sure goes to PewDiePie. His real name is Felix with 111 million subscribers. He's from Sweden and he started in 2010 as a gamer. Let's go to videos. Let's go to most popular, shall we? Oh, and that's interesting. I haven't watched that one. I'm very curious myself. Blank lasagna. but he has done a lot of collaborations to help in the growth of his YouTube channel. Now you may think to yourself, Andrea Jean, okay, I can't do gaming channels. What can I do to make some money on YouTube and be successful and live a life of freedom? Well, my first channel I ever created here was Andrea Jean Cleaning about 3 years ago. It has 453,000 subscribers, and you can see I have several YouTube channels here. I would like to say that I have 4 main YouTube channels that I upload almost every day on, but let's just go to this channel, shall we? I'm not a gamer. I'm a mom with 4 kids in her 30s who loves to create YouTube content and inspire others. So you can be successful. This channel right here alone allowed me to quit a 6-figure corporate job that supported my family of 6 100%. So what are some themes that you can take away for your own YouTube channel? We saw that gaming was highly popular on YouTube. So basically things that are addicting and time wasters. The majority of people on YouTube are going there to be entertained and pass some time. Second, make people laugh. Something interesting, something funny, a unique twist on things will definitely draw in subscribers and viewer attention. Travel is popular on YouTube. Why? Because people want an escape from reality. They want to have aspirations to go somewhere, to do something, to be something. Of course, gaming is popular, but more specifically, types of gaming, Fortnite and Minecraft. Your space, figure out how you can niche down within that and specialize in a category. Within the cleaning industry, I have specialized in cleaning hacks. How about reviews and reactions? As human beings, we like to know what other people think about things. And then we like to form our opinions around that. Next, most of these YouTubers have secondary and tertiary YouTube channels. They have diverted traffic from one channel to the next. They have found success and they have rinsed and repeat that stuff. But I know, yes, this is Spanx. Pay attention here really closely. This is going to be essential for you. Sarah Blakely, billionaire from Spanx. What did she start with? Spanx, Spanx, and only Spanx. But look at how much she has grown. Find success in one thing first and then move on and the abundance will flow to you. YouTube is a long game, my friend, but it is very fun, creative, and profitable if you are willing to stick with it and master your skills. As we saw in one of our examples here, the gentleman had a piano channel. It did not perform well, so he decided to do something a little bit different. Do not give up and try again. Trust me, my friend. If you want to wake up every day excited to do whatever your heart desires, work on your own time, have complete freedom and flexibility, and unlimited earning potential, YouTube is what you want to do. If you want to learn all the different ways that you can monetize and make money with YouTube, check out this video right here. I will link it on screen now and in the description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.